Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a ruby red 2013 Ford F-150 4x4 Crew Cab XLT, stock number 17F904A. You've got chrome heavy-duty tow hooks and factory fog lights up front. There's a sharp chrome grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a chrome rim that is wrapped in an 18-inch Goodyear Wrangler tire. You have chrome tubular assist steps. And then inside there is a tan cloth upholstery. That's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 3 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 6-passenger F-150. You've got this great 4x4 bedside decal here. And we'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are backup sensors on the bumper. You do have a trailer hitch. There is a backup camera here. Up top, you've got a stock tonneau cover that is in great shape. And then inside of the truck bed, as you can see, this is in good shape as well. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, there are keypad entry buttons. On the inside of the door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. You do have a power adjustable pedal. Stepping inside, on the left of the steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. There is a 4x4 turn dial control and an integrated trailer brake control. You have a CD player and AM/FM radio. There are capabilities for Sirius satellite radio. Coming down further, you have some additional audio controls and your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 5-liter V8 engine. And if you'd like to get more information on this F-150 or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.